No amount of evidence will ever persuade an idiot. Politicians and diapers must be changed often, and for the same reason. Life is short, break the rules, forgive quickly, kiss slowly, love truly, laugh uncontrollably, and never regret anything that makes you smile. Why waste your money looking up your family tree? Just go into politics and your opponent will do it for you. Kindness is the language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. Never argue with stupid people, they will drag you down to their level and then beat you with experience. Give every day the chance to become the most beautiful day of your life. Good decisions come from experience. Experience comes from making bad decisions. If you don't read the newspaper, you're uninformed. If you read the newspaper, you're misinformed. How easy it is to make people believe a lie, and how hard it is to undo that work again. The two most important days in your life are the day you are born, and the day you find out why. Continuous improvement is better than delayed perfection. If you want to change the future, you must change what you're doing in the present. If we were meant to talk more than listen, we would have 2 mouths and 1 ear. Success is a journey, not a destination. It requires constant effort, vigilance, and re-evaluation. Nothing spoils a good story like the arrival of an eyewitness. Temper is what gets most of us into trouble. Pride is what keeps us there. Never argue with a fool, onlookers may not be able to tell the difference. Consider the average intelligence of the common man, then realize 50% are even stupider. You meet people who forget you, you forget people you meet, but sometimes you meet those people you can't forget, those are your friends.